single plastic mold forms the side and the back panel, which lends the Redmi 9 a nice unibody feel. The quality of plastics used here is good and the phone feels very sturdy. There's a circular indent for the fingerprint sensor. There's also face recognition. The Redmi 9 has a 6.53-inch IPS HD Plus display with a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. The Redmi 9 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G35 SoC. Now, there are two variants of the Redmi 9, both with 4 GB of RAM, but you can choose between two storage options, 64 GB and 128 GB. The Redmi 9 runs on MIUI 12, which is based on Android 10. In terms of optics, the Redmi 9 has a fairly modest setup. You get a 5-megapixel selfie camera and a 13-megapixel primary rear camera along with a 2-megapixel depth sensor.